First you will need eggs and toast and butter and salt and pepper. That's easy. Depends of the amount of toast, how many you want to eat, but 1 and 2 should be enough. Like that. No coronavirus. And then we will cut a circle in the middle of the toast. Just like that. And then let's put the heat on and add some butter. Not too much, but nicely. No, nicely. Nicely. Bully. Don't bully me. Yes, let's use some multivitamins. Then let's add bread number 1, bread number 2, and make them sure they are in the butter, because if not, they will burn and it is bad thing. Next, let's make some eggs like that. Don't try this at home like this, and then squeeze the fucking, oh my god, there's. Be right back. And here is the example. This is breaking the yolk. This is not breaking the yolk, it's mixing up the yolk. And this is yolk that doesn't have anything yet, so let's don't break it, but mix it like that. Yeah. I would say 1 minute and then change the fuck. I mean, kääntää, flip over, yes. Some salt, like that. Ooh. And then, let's just wait and check the clock. Where is my clock? Is my bike there? Oh no, somebody has stole them. Oh, we are in Finland. Helsinki. Everything gets stolen. Okay, when my watch has stolen, I can see the clock, so we will have to flip it randomly. Oh my god, it's burning. It is burned like very much like this. Look at this difference in here. This is racist. This is fucking racist. One is, I can say anything because YouTube will ban me, so let's take a quick thumbnail here. Back in the business. You know, like this. They have to connect together because that will look so cool. I may show you. Now we don't need this anymore. These are useless. Ah, that's ready. Look at that. Oh my fucking god, that looks so good. About this one, yes. And then they burned eggs. That's really nice.